So I just wanted to share this second to show you the final or a good example paper of the collection strategy. So this is about human trafficking in a very narrow place. So one, it's a good topic because it's not stopping human trafficking or even human trafficking at the southern border. It's, in this case, the South Carolina, Greenville, South Carolina Fusion Center to support counter human trafficking. So quick intro paragraph that explains, where you're going with this, not more than a paragraph, and then get right into your requirements. So a couple of things. This is a very narrow location that can actually be collected on. This can even be narrowed down a little bit further when you talk about even the locations between Atlanta and Charlotte, which is still a pretty big area. But again, you see this requirement, a question, a task, a very narrow location or a somewhat narrow location, and a goal. You're not asking these huge, big theoretical questions. You're asking them very narrow in this case. They talk about, explains this, and then what int they use. And then what are the problems with the int. So keep that in mind going forward. Requirement 2. This covers another one. Again, pretty narrowed down. I think you could even narrow it down a little bit. They say Craigslist. You could also say, are traffickers using Telegram, Facebook, Signal, etc.? Or what are the narratives they're using to attract girls between 14 and 8 to be involved in human smuggling? Again, good requirement, could be narrowed down a bit, but you understand what I'm looking for. Explanation, and then OSINT here. And then finally, again, do your research because massage parlors are part of a human trafficking network. So you could talk about, again, OSINT and SIGINT to identify massage parlors, OSINT and comment as well in this case. And you can see, again, it's very well written, very clear writing style, and a very narrow focus. And then finally put your references there. So this is kind of the example, and I'll go ahead and take a second to go over so you can kind of see it. So again, opening with intelligence requirement, a narrow intelligence requirement here, and then another intelligence requirement 3. So 3 to 4. What I don't want is evaluating your own policies, your own, does the Greenville police have a good anti-trafficking program, because that is not an intelligence threat-based. That's just evaluating Blue Force or your own policies. So keep it threat-based, keep it narrow focused, just like you see here, and you'll be fine.